Hi guys, went out to Yate today for the charity shops. On the way back I tried out the quad bike and the Mitsubishi Pajero, so there'll be video footage of them. Not particularly good video footage because it was dark by the time I got time to try them out, but in the charity shops very little of interest, except I did pick up this little quad or drone. Cost me £4.95, haven't taken it out of the box yet to check it. FG Flight NinjaQuad 4, able to drive on the ceiling, floor and walls because it's got some sort of attachment which you can't see in the dark picture there that puts wheels on it. It looks like it's got prop guards as well, so we'll open the box and see what we've got. Right, so let's have a look. Oh, we've got a little controller. Looks like a charger in there. Oh yes, look at all these bits. Come on, how do we get that out without breaking it? Those come that way. I must be opening this the wrong way. Maybe that way. Ah, yes. Okay, so we've got wheels. We've got a prop guard. And we've got a little drone. So this will be my third little tiny drone. I had a Cheerson CX-10 that was mode 1 instead of mode 2. A Hubson something or other that just didn't work. So, okay, no power in there at the moment. I might just put that on to be on the safe side for first flight. But these things, one could always look at the instructions, I suppose. But clearly, it goes in there, and there, and then it must clip on there somewhere. So you've got wheels. I suppose that'll act as a prop guard too, won't it? Let's have a quick look at the instructions. Oh, before we do that, we'll go and stick it on charge. Sure we're off, yes. Okay, I'll go and stick that on charge. Right, what have we got? It shows you where the roller goes. It does clip into the bottom like no, it doesn't, it clips into the top. Oh, I can see that now. Charger reach over here. Yeah, you can see it. So that bit clips in there, and then they go on there. Well, that's a novelty, isn't it? And these ones, they clip, I see, down in there. And like I said, I might go for them first, if I can get them in there. Right, that one went in. Sorry about the lighting. Nope, that didn't go in. Try another one. Got one in. Alright, we'll do that separately when you're not watching me. So I've got one in, it's just a matter of being able to see what I'm doing. Let's read a bit more. 2 AAA batteries. Okay, we need a couple of them. Okay, up, down, so we're mode 2, throttle on the left, forwards, backwards, rotate left, right, and then move left, left, right. Left, right, trim, forwards, backwards, trim, on, off. And what's that one? That's got to be the rotate trim, but it doesn't mention it. When voltage begins to run low, 4 LEDs will begin to flash very fast. Okay. White blades at the front, white blades, blue LEDs at the front. Rear, black blades, red LEDs. Okay, well we got blue and white LEDs. Flip. Press right stick when you hear beep. Push it forwards and reverse left or right. Yeah, fair enough. Ah, that's speed. Speed and light. Okay. Okay, that'll do for a few minutes. Hat camera time. Light's gone out in the charger, so it should be fully charged. I've put some batteries in the controller. It is dark outside, just in case you wondered. 5:45 on Tuesday the 7th of January. So, I'll move the camera out of the way. Put the hat camera on, or put my hat on, and we'll see if we can actually fly this little fella. That's on. Oh, hang on. Which way was forwards and which way was backwards? Front is the blue LEDs, back is the red LEDs. Okay, put that on. Oh, I was just going to say we don't appear to have bound, but we had. Okay, this is a bit small. Well, there you go. We're in the air. We are drifting right a bit. Can I get the... We look pretty stable now. Come back here a little bit. I suppose we'll have to try a flip. Yeah, it flipped, but it lost a lot of height. Okay, come back over here. Oh, we're flashing lights already. That means the battery's running out. Well, I hope that's, well, not surprising then, is it? If the battery's going to run out after only a few seconds. But on the positive side, it flies. And it's pretty stable. That's me making it move around. Oh, ah dear. I wonder if we can hand launch. So those LEDs are flashing, which should indicate it's running out of battery, but it's going all right at the moment. Drifting left again. Yeah, we're just about to run out. I'm on full power and we're going down. Well, it flew, but the battery only lasted for a few minutes, if that. So it's another one of these that probably needs a replacement battery that's going to cost as much as the little drone cost me to begin with. £4.95. Yeah, that's better than the last two mini drones that I bought. So we'll see if it takes charge again, see if it lasts any longer the next time. That'll do.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.